In today's video, I'll teach you how to earn rewards on Whatnot. So if you want to earn rewards on Whatnot, first of all launch open Whatnot application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Whatnot application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So earning the rewards on Whatnot is actually very simple. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the gift icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see all of your rewards and coupons over here. From this interface, you'll be able to earn the rewards. If there is any offer available, you'll be able to see it over here. Right now, if you make the referrals, you'll be able to earn the rewards. You can see over here, if you bring a friend, you can earn up to $200. You can make the referrals. If you do that, your friend will receive a random credit between $10 to $200. Also, you will get a matching credit when your friend receives their first purchase. There is no limit. The more friends you invite, the more you earn. So like this, you'll be able to earn the rewards. So for making the referrals, what you have to do is simply copy the invite link, or you can also tap on this option, share invite, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to share the invite. What you can do is simply share the invite from any of these platforms. Here I'm just going to tap on this option, messenger. Now after you do that, that particular platform will be opened. You can also write a message if you want. Now over here, you'll be able to see all of your chats. Simply tap on the send option right next to the person that you want to send the invite. Now after you do that, that particular invite will be sent. Now if somebody receives your invitation and joins the Whatnot, you'll be able to receive the credits and you'll be able to earn the rewards. So this is the easiest method to earn the rewards on Whatnot. So that is how you earn rewards on Whatnot. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.